Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the laptop won't die. Plug it in and close heavy apps. Once done, open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac OS. You need to view devices. Then launch the built-in storage utility, Disk Management on Windows, or About This Mac Storage on Mac OS, because these tools show volumes, total capacity, and free space. Make sure you have administrative rights if prompted. That lets you see hidden partitions and system-reserved areas. Next, zoom into each volume to understand how space is used. On Windows Disk Management, read drive letters, partition sizes, file system types, and health indicators. That explains which partitions hold OS or recovery. On Mac OS, click Manage to see storage categories and purgeable space so you know where to free space. If you prefer precision, run diskpart or lsblk/dfh in a terminal to list exact sizes and mount points. These commands show hidden or external volumes that GUI tools might omit. To finish, reclaim space and confirm everything matches expectations. Delete temp files and large unused apps, empty the recycle bin or trash, and rerun the storage view to verify freed space. If reported totals differ, run chkdsk on Windows or fsck on Mac OS/Linux and reveal hidden recovery partitions in Disk Management or Disk Utility. If you see bad sectors or slow performance, back up immediately and run smart diagnostics. Failing drives need replacement rather than cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.